one physical sheet, which is coming with the formulation. Once you reach that sheet, there's no more visible opening.
Drying time reduces. So if it's too short, it will not allow you to spread the black ink over. What they said is the machines the longer. The higher you go, the harder it gets.
Yeah.
Because there's so much glass below that there's no more areas where the product can. A lot, they've asked us, please, we need your product on that particular job site. So the
flat goes tight, so it may be slippery, of course, but even textured tiles may be slippery when wet, just because the water doesn't go away correctly, and it's not yet absorbed by the tiles.
Now that you've applied the base coat, you can see that the second coat doesn't disappear so quickly. So always, being uniform is always important, of course, but some products are easier than others. It's a very long process when I use the orbital with polishing.
But for
Cleaning is very good.
They don't need to get dry by themselves. First coat will be more easy to apply because now the surface is getting all the products that we can. The second coat, the third coat will be a little bit more.
In order to stop the thing. It was developed to restore individual scratches. So usually you're on a very hard. How do you get over that scratch? So we will do our best, but you cannot do everything.
Acidity, yes, because the powder cuts the marks. The universal glossy fills the marks.
On the hand tool, okay, the only pressure you need to use is the pressure to allow the hand tool to work flat on the surface. It's very important with this application that the pad works in a flat way.
Don't care about the scratches and the residues that you will have on the side, because it will be